In 2023, the founder and director of our company, Zarif Tadjibaev, invented the ideal Zarif double thread chain stitch technology, making history as the creator of the world's first ideal technology for straight stitch sewing. This achievement was the result of 26 years of refining his original Zarif sewing technology, which was the first to use a rotary looper to produce a double thread chain stitch type 401. This innovation was patented in the United States in 2000 under patent number 6095069. By using a rotary looper, his technology achieved a world first, a new double thread chain stitch type 401, in which the loops of the top and bottom threads are rotated 180 degrees. As a result, the underside of the chain stitch is very similar to the lockstitch type 301 with a thicker bottom thread. Visit his YouTube channel to watch videos entitled Zarif 2023 Revolution in Sewing, where the ideal Zarif sewing technology of 2023 is demonstrated using a prototype Zarif sewing machine. This prototype has been created by reconstructing a Class 1022 industrial lockstitch sewing machine manufactured by Orsha, Belarus. It is important to note that the improvement of existing sewing technologies for lockstitch type 301 and double thread chain stitch type 401, both invented in the 19th century, cannot lead to the ideal technology for straight stitch sewing. These traditional technologies have numerous inherent disadvantages related to their stitch formation methods, disadvantages that cannot be eliminated regardless of future advances. Thanks to our ideal Zarif sewing technology of 2023, it is now possible to create industrial sewing machines with a very simple mechanical design, which operate with high reliability and durability. Key innovations of the ideal Zarif sewing technology of 2023. Efficient processing of different materials. For the first time, our technology allows high-quality sewing on materials up to 8 mm thick with a short needle bar stroke of 32 mm, without any adjustments, by setting the normal thread tension for all threads. Stable and reliable sewing. For the first time, our technology makes it possible to sew without skipped stitches, thread breakage, needle breakage and needle point deformation. Easy changeover to other needle sizes. For the first time, our technology allows you to easily switch between needle sizes from number 130 to number 60 without any adjustment. Compatible with different materials. For the first time, our technology enables medium to heavy textile, leather and leatherette to be joined tightly together using chain stitch, as well as create smooth seams for lightweight fabrics and elastic seams for stretch fabrics. Securing the end of the chain stitch seam. For the first time, our technology reduces the chain stitch length to 0.5 mm, making it possible to condensing the stitches at this length to better secure the chain stitch seam end against unraveling. Excellent lockstitch replacement. In more than 90% of cases, our technology makes it possible to replace the lockstitch type 301 with the new double thread chain stitch type 401, eliminating the need for frequent bottom thread changes. In addition, the revolutionary ideal Zarif sewing technology of the 2023 heralds a new era in the development of automation of the stitching process, ensuring uninterrupted sewing 24 hours a day.